Craig, John.
All right, John, keep pushing.
Jonathan,
keep pushing. Keep pushing.
What the heck are you doing?
What?
I thought we were doing something for Mother's Day.
We are.
Yeah.
This whole pregnancy delivery thing is so overrated, and we're going to prove it.
What are you gonna prove?
Well, right now, we have John hooked to these machines that are going to simulate pregnancy and delivery. And we're going to show how a man can take this much better than a woman.
We know pregnancy and the whole birth thing is overrated. I mean,
absolutely. Just sit back and watch. We have 4 probes on John, his stomach, his abs, and 4 on his back. We're going to simulate the active delivery of baby as best we can. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to send electricity to John's muscles and just see how well he takes it.
is he expecting a boy or a girl?
Triplets.
All
Guys,
right.
what's the safe word?
The safe word is epidural. So when John gets to the point that he can no longer take any more, this is stage 1.
Stage
Are
1.
we good? We good?
Oh, these are the phantom pains, right? I've heard about
Yeah.
them. I've heard about them.
You need to breathe, John. You need
John,
to breathe.
breathe.
Breathing
Breathe,
techniques, John.
You need to
Okay,
breathe.
we are level 2.
Level 2.
Level 2. We are
This
going.
is level 2.
This is level 2.
The back feels more like fire, and then the front's just like grabbing, like, and thrusting downward. Yeah. There it is. There it is.
2. John, are you ready to go to level 3?
Oh yeah. We
You
can
really
do
don't
this.
have
We
a
can do
choice.
this.
We're
I
going.
mean, you're able.
Concrete wall. How many levels are there? I can't even think right now. I'm extremely ticklish.
So it's just kind of like somebody tickling you with a feather. Is that what you were letting birth to?
Yeah. I can't wait until you try it.
Oh.
See if you think
You're
that.
at twitchy.
Oh! That hurts. How many levels are there? Did you tell me?
There's like 25.
No.
Let's say we're going that far.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love that I'm first so I can
Yes.
outdo everybody.
Right.
Woo! Ah! The back! Ah! The pain in the back! Oh my gosh, that hurts!
There you go.
Hallelujah! Okay. Oh, the back. Dang the back. Ow! Oh, dang the back! I see where your knees come up. Oh!
Come on,
Just
do
a
it
couple more pushes.
do it for Johnny Jr.
Oh, that's right.
There you go. You push. Push.
My face has got to be so bright red right now. Oh! Oh! That hurts! Oh! No!
Don't you give up.
No! Epidural! Epidural!
Oh my gosh. Okay, epidural. Okay.
Well, John, I know I said it was a boy, but it is a girl. Little Mary Mimi Hussey Robertson. Congratulations. Okay, I am Dr. Armando Alejandro Estrada. I am here for you the whole time. I will not leave your side. I will be here to the very end. We will deliver this baby now.
This would be my first own delivery. This is a home delivery.
Home delivery.
Home delivery from UPS. This isn't bad.
Okay.
Contractions are about 3 seconds apart.
How did you meet your doula?
Oh!
You can do it. You got to breathe,
Right,
okay?
he's right.
Okay? Repeat after me.
Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Craig, what do you enjoy doing on the weekend? You do like Spartan races and love like long miles.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go. You're very strong.
Yeah, this is good.
They intensify as the
What?
Woo! Yeah.
birth
So
goes on.
this is overrated. This whole pregnancy.
Is what over what?
What?
Oh.
What
Repeat
level?
again.
Just
Oh
7?
My hand is here, Coaching.
They are
Big muscles for what? For what? Deliver this baby! There you go.
Oh my.
Keep going. I see the head. The head is popping out. Plenty of hair. Oh my
Are we at
goodness.
10? We're not even at 10.
Not even
Yes.
at 10.
Oh.
He said ship. Ship as in boat. Ship as in boat. What is the name of the baby?
Hernandez.
Jose!
Hernandez.
Okay, Jose. You can do it. You need to climb.
Oh my.
To push
All right,
the
John, where we at? Oh,
Jose,
smoke! I'm
Do
sweating so
not let
hard
go
right
of the rope. Those
now. Oh, what the?
Come on.
Ah! it's not. There's 2 babies in there.
It's dos. Jose.
This is so stupid. Oh, what?
Just push him over the edge.
Craig, look at me. Look at the weight.
Oh, here we go.
Look at the weight.
Can you feel the burn?
I can feel it. I can feel it. Okay.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
Jose, Dolce, come out. Come out.
Oh, I would have 1 kid, that's it. And I would have adopted it. Oh. Come up with some dumb stuff, but this is it.
He's turning into a hawk.
Epidario! Epidario, shut it off!
No, Jose, Dolce, no. Unfortunately, we have to call it.
Oh my God.
We have lost Dolce and Jose Hernandez.
All right, Jonathan. Are you ready to have this baby?
I am.
Hello, 1.
Taking one for the team. Like, kind of feels good, but I know it's gonna get worse.
He's at a 6 on his back.
So it's kind of like a tingle, like a massage on the back.
But you and your wife want to have this baby.
Oh.
What level are we at, Craig?
We're at a 4.
4.
Shut up.
All right, we're going 5.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, it feels like little knives stabbing me in the stomach.
Give us a rap, Jonathan.
Right,
Give us a rap, because you're able. This is so low.
Okay, I'll rap to the. I'll rap to the rhythm to this.
6.
Yeah.
What?
Oh God! What is that?
How you feel? You feel
Like I'm
good?
running these streets because I'm a beast. That's so weird. That doesn't feel normal.
You want that apple now? It was good the first time, wasn't it?
Man, I'll eat 12 of them apples.
Okay.
Ah! Oh my God! Ah! This one's like going up.
Choke on the
Oh Jesus! Ah! I swear, get this blanket off me. Ah! And then Shua, he had to work till 8. I'm gonna have a baby, throw him in the cradle.
Yeah, you suck. So
I'm not gonna be like Jesus in the stable. Oh, I can't say anything.
It's number 11. How you like his?
I don't got no internet. Actually, I do, but I don't got cable. Spitting these rhymes, laying the meal on the table. That sucks. Oh my God, that feels like it's ripping my stomach. Give me pause. 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 Pause it. Ooh, I was kidding. Yeah.
Don't get sick.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, right back.
Oh my God, this sucks. This is so stupid. I shouldn't have done this. See, what sucks is there's no baby coming. Ah! Epidural.
What?
What?
Epidural.
Up next is Jeremiah. Is there anything you want to say to your wife right now before you go through this?
I feel like I was wrong when I said we should have had a natural birth.
It's a baby.
Oh, that's pain. That's pain.
What level is that? Wait, what level is that?
Level 10.
Oh, you're 10.
Oh, this is,
Whoa, that's good.
oh, number 11. This is
You gotta give me the name.
the little Marie. The little Marie.
Little Marissa's coming out. You gotta breathe.
gotta
The breathing
work.
techniques work.
Breathe out.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
You ready?
Don't poop on yourself.
Don't stop breathing.
What level is that? What level is that? Greg is dying over here.
You're at 12. You're doing great. Oh, you're doing great, Jeremiah. Really? Oh my God.
Pass out.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Don't forget the Lord. He's with you.
Okay, ready?
This is where I died at.
Ripped it out.
Hey, ow. That's the bee stings. That's the bee stings. I told you. Why? Ow.
What happened to standing up? I thought that was gonna help.
My legs aren't working.
Drag.
Hey, what is that? Ow.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's not. Oh, jeez. Ow.
I'm still at 18.
Freaking bees.
Like the ear. Going there.
Oh, please, just get it over with.
Okay. Oh, whoa.
Oh, my fault.
Oh, I think I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
You want epidural?
Yeah.
Do you appreciate your wife?
Yeah. Now I know why she didn't want a third.